so it looks like these are 5-minute facial masks. It says it enhances radiance, minimizes pores, evens skin tone, prep the skin for flawless makeup application. So that's really cool, and it brings 2 of them. And I think I've gotten something from this brand before, but I honestly can't remember if I liked it. Those were the facial masks that came in our Ipsy, and then we're gonna see what's in the bag. And the bag's kind of cute this month. It's pretty lace, and it's like pale pink.
Ooh, what do I want to pull over? It's like Christmas.
Okay, so we have Radiant Glow Highlighter by IBY Beauty. So let's open that up and see how it swatches. Okay, so that's really cute. I like the nude color. So let's open her up. Ooh,
That's pretty.
that is pretty. Okay, so let's see how she... Oh, it feels nice.
Is it creamy?
Yes, it feels really good. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see how that swatches.
Ooh, that's so pretty.
That is pretty.
It looks creamy.
I'm excited to use that. Yeah, that looks
that does feel really good, actually.
So this is, I'm excited about that, you guys. So let's see.
Radiant Glow Highlighter.
Yeah. Bubble wrap. Who doesn't love bubble wrap? Okay, so this is, from Pacifica. Does that say beach crystals? Yes. Natural mineral eyeshadows. So let's open those up and see.
100% vegan and cruelty free. Do you just slide it out? Oh no,
Yeah. Pacifica gave me some really cool blushes last time, so I'm excited to see this. Okay, so that's what that looks like out of the box. So let's open her up and see what those shadows look like, and we'll swatch them for you guys, of course. So it brings one of these little applicators, which I have not used since I was like 10 years old.
Yeah, these are like weird to
They're
have
the
now.
worst. Now that I use brushes, I don't know how
They're
we
like
ever tried to
Q-tips.
apply.
I know, we would just...
So let's swatch, let's do this one on the end. So it feels kind of nice. Let's see.
That's so
That's
pretty.
So let's do is that matte? They're all kind of like shimmery in a way. I don't really use a lot of purple eyeshadow, but that one's kind of non-existent. They look the same. They look the exact same.
Oh, that's pretty though, honestly.
I mean, it does just look exactly the same.
No, this one looks lighter. This one's darker. It probably looks exactly the same on camera.
In person, it kind of looks the same to me. That one's
Stubborn.
gold. I'm very stubborn. And then let's do that last one. Over here.
That one's pretty.
Yes. Come on, bronze.
That one's gorgeous.
Come through. Okay, so that is pretty. But they're all
Messed
kind
it
of
all up
shimmery,
now.
so there's no mattes in there, so you'd have to definitely have some sort of color otherwise. But that's a cute little palette. I like that. That's really cute. So next item is
Mellow.
a lipstick. Yay! So Mellow.
Matte liquid lip liner.
So it is a matte
Or lip paint.
lip
Whoa.
paint. So let's open her up and see how she looks. Okay, so let's open this lipstick up and see how it looks. It's a nude, obviously. It's really pretty.
Is that the name? Thurnin? What?
Tyran, whatever. We're just not even gonna say it.
Oh my god, I'm so blind. I thought the H was next to the T.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and swatch that, and we'll use my hand here. Oh, that's pretty.
I like it.
I like it.
I
So
think
we'll
it's
let
really
that
pretty.
dry and see how that looks, and I will show that to you guys once it's all dry. Ooh, what's this?
Bye bye under eye.
Ooh, that is exactly what I need. I feel like I look like this girl right here.
No, it's worse.
Oh my god, what a bitch. Okay, so this is by It
Medium
Cosmetics. Okay, so it says medium tan, so it's actually a concealer. I thought it was like an under eye cream.
Oh,
Like I
no.
thought, so it's a concealer. So that's
Yeah.
kind of cool. So let's see what she looks like.
You thought there was hope.
I thought there was hope for my under eyes. I can conceal.
In the box.
I can conceal my under eyes.
It's
All
just a
right,
little
so this is kind of cute, and that's actually a lot of product.
Do you
want to
like cover my tattoo? with it? Or part of it?
Anti-aging waterproof concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little drop on Abby and just rub it in with my finger just to see what that looks like. Obviously, we're not trying to like fully cover her tattoo here because tattoos, you have to put, before you try to conceal a tattoo, unless it's like the dopest tattoo concealer ever, you're gonna see that dark kind of undertone underneath.
God, that's so weird.
So you can use like a color concealer to cancel that out and then a regular concealer on top. But I just kind of want to see how this feels and how it looks and the shade. And I actually kind of like how that feels. Some concealers feel super dry. I like the way this feels and looks. It's like radiant. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this video. So I got 2 face masks, which you guys already know the deal with that. I got some highlighter, which I love. The Pacifica palette, I probably will end up giving this away because I don't see myself using these colors, but they still felt nice and looked pretty, so it is what it is. And then this is a gorgeous lipstick. It's like not even that dry yet, and it's been a couple of minutes, so not sure what's going on with that, if it's supposed to be fully matte. I mean, it says matte, but maybe it's just like a slow drying lipstick. I don't know. But for now, that is what it looks like. So it's a pretty color, but it's not fully matte yet. And then we got the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, which I'm definitely excited to try. So overall, this bag is really great, you guys. I'm really excited about this bag. I'm really happy with all of the products. It's been a rough couple of months with Ipsy. I feel like I kind of keep getting empty products or like weird things that, you know, I don't really want, but this bag has been really great overall, and I'm really satisfied with it. So yeah, you guys, I hope to see you in my next video, and share with me what you got in your bag. If you get Ipsy, comment down below and let me know which items you got and which items you love, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.